girl from the video, and I can't feel like a supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am queen.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kelsey, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you how to clean out your sponges. I know some people that throw theirs away because they can't get them clean, or they clean them and it's still makeup spots on them. So with that being said, what I start with is Dawn antibacterial soap. You need the antibacterial soap so you can clean out the germs. I put a good amount on there, get it wet with water, and I begin to roll it around in my hand. And as you can see, all the makeup is coming out. I mean, y'all, this stuff works so good. Look at that. This makeup. Makeup gets deep down off in the sponge, especially if you use it like more than once on your face. So I'm going to continue to rinse that out because soap stays in the sponge. So you're going to have to do a lot of rinsing. And just so you know, it will take a while. So be patient. And as you can see, there is makeup. It's still on the flat surface. I'm going to get that out. Just watch. I put some soap on it, rub it around like, you know, checking in at Apollo. And I just rub it really good, and then I give it a good squeeze, and you can see more makeup coming out. And then I'm going to rinse it. Rub and rinse. And what you're doing is when you're rubbing it, you're bringing the makeup to the surface of that sponge. We don't want any of that left in there. So now I'm just going to keep rinsing and rinsing and rinsing until there's no more soap left in the sponge. And the way you check that is when you squeeze it really hard. If you still have soap, look at that, like that, you need to keep rinsing until it rinses clear. So that's pretty much it, you guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment, ask any question, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to show you again how to clean a brush, but this time it'll go a little bit faster. So again, hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned and look out for my next video.